The king has heralded the service and sacrifice of the wartime generation in a speech on the 80th anniversary of V-Day, echoing the words of his late grandfather, King George V. In his own historic address to the nation, the monarch said, "While our greatest debt is owed to all those who paid the ultimate price, we should never forget how the war changed the lives of virtually everyone." As war rages once more in Europe and the Middle East, Charles said it was our duty to rededicate ourselves not only to the cause of freedom, but to renewing global commitments to restoring a just peace where there is war, to diplomacy, and to the prevention of conflict. Repeating the words of our great wartime leader, Prime Minister Winston Churchill, he said, "Meeting jaw to jaw is better than war." Reflecting on his own experiences this year, in January visiting the Nazi extermination camp Auschwitz on the 80th anniversary of its liberation, Charles said it now falls to all of us to honor the freedoms our war heroes fought for, to protect and continue their precious legacy. Last week revealed Charles had penned his own tribute to the fallen and the bravery of the Second World War generation, which he delivered at 9 p.m. tonight, Thursday, 8 May, on the same date and time as his King George V historic address. Speaking to the nation from a bomb-scarred Buckingham Palace on May 8, 1945, the then king thanked the nation for their bravery and dedication to the war effort. At the end of this week's commemorations, Charles added, "For as my grandfather put it, we shall have failed, and the blood of our dearest will have flowed in vain, if the victory which they died to win does not lead to a lasting peace."